Okay, one more thing for people who were asking for like the setup I am using. Let me show you the indicators. So I have put central pivot range, pivot point standards, MA. This is exponential moving average 20, 200, and super trend 73 volume. Volume is only applicable for sometimes in the futures and commodities. It's not applicable to index because there is no volume in the index. The volume is available only in the futures. Okay, so let me close all these and show you how you can apply them from the start. So this is how without any indicator, this is what the clean chart looks like. Now you click on FX. Here you have to search for central pivot range. That's it, it is applied here. Okay, then you have to search for pivot point. There the pivot point is applied. Once you click on this pivot point, minute, you have to click on the pivot points. Actually that type of clicks is available in the desktop version only. So in the pivot points I have done a bit more, like I have done the shading, and this is a standard pivot point. There is Fibonacci also, but I have put standard. It's almost same. If you even put Fibonacci, basically it is not exactly it will work, but nearby the pivot. So Fibonacci and standard is all the same. Then I have chosen shading so that I just get this type of view where I can, it's easier for me to distinguish rather than having a white background. Okay, so this is now the pivot. Then for super trend, minute, super trend 7/3 is already applied. So this one already, the default is 7/3. Okay, so super trend, it gives you this type of signals like buy when the arrows are, or sell, and this line that follows after the sell or the buy, it is green. After the sell, it is red. This line is called the average true range or ATR. Sometimes the ATR line also is acting as a support. Here today when we took this trade, it bounced back from the central pivot and then it took multiple times and the support from the ATR. So the ATR line is now acting as a support. So we missed, actually I missed this view. I was totally, when I saw this selling here, I was thinking there will be a repetition of the selling because of the head and shoulder pattern also, but the market totally reversed from here. And after, if you see the timeline, after 11 o'clock it is totally in a range bound, and now it is having some bullish moves, but it's very difficult at this point, because mostly if you see, I give trades of sell or bearish trades when the price is above the or away from the central pivot, and buy calls when the price is below the central pivot. This is my favorite area to take a bullish trade or a bearish trade. So from here, if I take, maybe the price reverses, I don't know. And also we have 2 days of weekend, so we don't really know. Better to avoid anything. Okay, then the other one is the EMS. So this one you can put like moving average. Okay, this is 50. I am not using 50, I am using 20 and 200. So 220 is red colored, field is closed, type is exponential. Okay, exponential moving average, you can go into YouTube and see what is exactly details of exponential moving average and the advantage of using it over the standard. There is some advantage that I can share later to make this video concise. So this is the exponential moving average, the 220 EMA that is applied. Then let's go to 200. The color you can change from here to green. Okay, and type is exponential, so exponential 200 is applied. This is the one. So here yesterday it took this reversal here from here, and yesterday we were like targeting up to here, because see this the gap between the 20 and 200 is also an important area to go short, because normally price tends to come back from 20 to 200. Okay, here also today I was trying this, but again, as I told before also, technicals will be having 70% probability, 30% probability it will not happen. So today we were stuck in this 30% probability of not happening, and we had to take the stop loss. So moving average is done, and then the last one, as I said, volume. We'll just select volume and keep it here. This is the volume chart. This is not applicable to index because there is no volume in the index, only futures have volumes. So now the volume is applied, so it's the same now. Whatever I told you, this is what I have applied. So now I think you can apply this.